the new 10.
Oh, there's a new one?
Yeah. There's only a few of them floating around. Look how cool it is.
No way. I love how you can see through it.
I know, it's super fun.
And I heard that you can't rip it either.
Yeah, no, and they're waterproof.
Waterproof?
Yeah, so if you put it in water right now, and nothing would happen.
That's awesome.
Leaf on it,
Yeah.
it smells like maple syrup.
No way.
I mean, that's
You're
serious.
making that one up.
I'm being dead serious, 100%.
Which maple leaf?
I don't know where it is on the new one. Right here. You're supposed to be able to rub it, and then it's supposed to smell like maple syrup. I'm being dead serious. Look. So right there, if you're supposed to scratch it and rub it, it smells like maple syrup.
Oh my god.
Does it really smell like it?
Yeah.
Oh my god, smell that.
Canada is just amazing.
That's so weird.
Would you?
That is so crazy.